In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create schedule in Outlook Calendar 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a calendar event in Outlook on the web so you never miss an appointment or meeting. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Outlook. Click the official Outlook link to open the web app. If you're on a work or school account, you might be redirected to your organization's sign-in page. That's normal. Just make sure you're on a trusted page before entering your credentials. Once Outlook loads, sign in with your account. If you're on a personal device, you can choose to stay signed in for convenience. On a shared or public computer, skip that to keep your account secure. After signing in, you'll land on your Outlook homepage. Look to the left side and select the calendar icon. On some screens, it may appear along the bottom. Either way, you're switching from mail to calendar. This opens your calendar view where you'll create and manage your schedule. Next, click New Event. This button is usually at the top of the calendar. It opens a panel where you'll enter details for your schedule item. Start by entering a clear, concise title. Think of something that makes sense at a glance, like Project Kickoff or Dentist Appointment. Descriptive titles make your calendar easier to scan later. If you need others to join, add attendees by typing their email addresses into the invite field. Outlook will suggest contacts as you type. Adding attendees sends them an invitation once you save, helping everyone stay aligned. Choose the date and time for your event. Set the start and end times carefully, and double-check the time zone if you travel or work across regions. If it's an all-day task, you can mark it as such to keep it from blocking a specific time slot. Make sure the duration reflects what you actually need. In the description box, add any important details: an agenda, notes, a location, or a meeting link your team uses. This is a great place to paste instructions or files your attendees might need, so everything is in one place. When everything looks good, click Save. If you added attendees, the button may say Send, and they'll receive an invite right away. After saving, confirm the event appears on your calendar in the correct date and time. That's it. You searched for Outlook, signed in, opened calendar, created a new event, added a title, invited attendees, set the date and time, wrote a clear description, and saved it. You're ready to stay organized with Outlook Calendar.